Hello guys, welcome to the Code Beginners, and in this video I am going to show you how can you use a progress bar in your C Sharp application. So I have this empty form here, and to use progress bar I will go to my toolbox and will search for progress bar right here. So when I will search that progress bar out, I will just drag it here, and what I will need with that progress bar, I will be needing a button that will help me loading this progress bar. So I will just take that button and drag it out here. So let's name my button as load. So when I will click, I want that when I will click my button load, this progress bar should start loading. Okay, so one more thing that I need is basically a timer, because without timer you can't say anything. I mean, without timer it will not be possible to download sorry, to load that progress bar. So now the time has come to write the code. So for that purpose, what I need to do, I just need to see that what my timer name is, and this timer one is actual name of my this timer. So I am going to double click on my button, and that will take me to the event of my button basically. So inside that I need to write that timer one, timer name basically, and then start. So I want whenever I click on this button, the timer should start. Okay, so now what I want this progress bar to start. Okay, so for the purpose I will just go and see the name of my progress bar, and that is progress bar 1 in my case. So I will come to that timer and I will double click on it, and this is private void timer 1, that event of timer. So inside this I am going to write my name of my progress bar, that is progress bar 1 dot increment, because I want to increment it by 1, let's say, because if you will increment it by 1 it will start going like this smoothly, and if you increment it like 5 it will jump to this far and then this far and then this far and then it ends. So that's how it works. So now I am again going to explain you the code that I want, that whenever I will click this button. So let's see what is the code inside. When I will click this button, this timer will start, and then this timer will load the progress bar and will increment it, will start it incrementing. Okay, so the concept is clear. Again, I am explaining you. When I will click the button, the timer will start, and obviously that if the timer will start, the timer is going to execute that one, and you can set the interval of timer whatever you want. In my case, this is 100 milliseconds, and that is more than enough. So now the time has come to run our program, and let's see if our progress bar works or not. So when I will click load, you can see that progress bar is loading basically. So whatever you can write here, please wait or something, whatever you want, wherever you want to use your progress bar. Okay, so now just cross this. So let's say I want to download it a bit faster. So I will just decrease that interval by 10, and when I will run my program, so you will see that this has finished in no time. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and please rate, comment, subscribe. Bye for now.